Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Ever find yourself staring into your fridge thinking, what should I actually eat to stay healthy? Yeah, we've all been there. Today we're breaking down the ultimate guide to a balanced diet. No boring lectures, just real talk, real food, and real results. Let's make healthy living simple, and even a little fun. So first, what is a balanced diet? Think of it like building the perfect team for your body. You've got carbs, your energy boosters, proteins, the repair crew, fats, the powerhouse supporters, and vitamins and minerals. Each one matters. Skip one, and your body falls out of sync. It's not about eating less, it's about eating smart. Let's break down what should actually be on your plate. Fruits and vegetables, go for color. The more vibrant, the better. Whole grains, like oats, brown rice, and quinoa, ditch the white bread trap. Protein, chicken, eggs, tofu, beans, whatever works for you. Healthy fats, think avocado, nuts, and olive oil, not greasy fast food. And water, yep, good old H2O. Don't forget it. Meal planning doesn't need to be complicated. Try this. Plan just 3 meals for the week. Use leftovers wisely, and chop your veggies once to save time all week. Worried about portions? Just use your hand. Your palm equals protein. A handful equals carbs. Your thumb equals fats. Simple, right? Let's bust some common diet myths. Carbs don't make you fat. Overeating junk does. Fat isn't the enemy, but trans fats are. Skipping meals won't help you lose weight. It actually slows your metabolism. The more you know, the better your choices. Remember, a healthy lifestyle isn't just about food. It's also about moving more, drinking enough water, and eating mindfully, not just out of boredom in front of the TV. Small habits lead to big results. So what do you get from eating a balanced diet? More energy, sharper focus, better skin, a stronger immune system. And honestly, you'll just feel good, inside and out. That's your crash course on balanced eating, simplified and stress-free. If this helped you out, drop your favorite healthy meal in the comments below. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We've got more real health talk coming your way. Eat smart, live strong, and I'll see you in the next one.